But you haven't done that, right? What? Yeah. Has someone tried to make you?
Yes.
And you said no.
It was the guy who broke up with me on the Facebook too.
Who?
Guy that broke up like a while ago.
What the heck? Someone like thinking something. What the hell? Who the hell is that?